it's your girl Kristen, aka Curly Hair Beauty. But today's video is just showing you guys my Sheabassdor box and what I got in it. So I got the Matcha green tea and probiotics line. Stuff is amazing. So I just got 3 things, which is, first thing I'm gonna read is a clay to cream cleanser. This soothing cleanser transforms from clay to cream to restore balance to redness prone skin, leaving it feeling luxuriously and soft and supple. Well, luxuriously soft and supple. Now I do have redness prone skin. I get red around this area and a lot of parts of my face, which is so annoying. Like, so annoying. The next thing is, so the cleanser slash clay looks like this, and you guys already know this is thick. It is thick. So look, see, it looks like that. So it looks like clay, and then once you start massaging it into your skin and it starts absorbing, it smells amazing. If you guys know what matcha green tea smell like, I didn't until I smelled this. So, but then you start massaging it into your skin and you take some water and then it leaves your skin super soft. I'm gonna wipe that off my towel. Yeah. See these curls? I just washed my hair and it's still drying, so. Okay, second thing is the matcha. Oh, my full opinion on this, I love it. It's very different from my other Shea Moisture cleanser that I do use. It does leave my skin super soft. So I would give this, from a 1 to 10, I'll give it a 9. Yeah, I give it a 9. This is gonna be on the top of my cleanser list. I do grab it often along with my Shea Moisture mask that I use in the shower that I got from my last Sheabassdor box, and then also I use basically 3 of those things for my face that I got from my previous Sheabassdor boxes. So yeah, so I give that a 9. The next thing on the list that they gave me is a soothing toner plus a soothing toner and hydrating mist. Now I love my toners and I love my hydrating mist more. I love my hydrating mist more. This says, so the soothing toner and hydrating thing looks like this, obviously, and it says this refreshing mist helps to calm irritation and elevate redness, giving sensitive skin the TLC it deserves. Now I don't know about, because I still have redness here. I did use the toner. I don't have no moisturizer on, no nothing. My eyebrows need some TLC. But I have redness here, and I get redness. See, I only get it around here, the nose area. So I would say I'm not too fond of this as much. I've used it several times, try to give it some time to maybe settle with my skin, but it's not my favorite toner or mist. It does give your face that nice glow that it needs, as mists normally do. But 1 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this, I give it a 5. Yeah, I give it a 5. This is not my most favorite toner, because I have my witch hazel toner and I like that one, and this is not my favorite mist. Now I don't know why. Mist wise, yeah, I like it as a mist to give it that nice glow, because as you guys can see, it does give it a nice shiny glow. I have not used no moisturizer, I just used these products. Now, yeah, so I give it a 6. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 6, because it's not my most favorite. As you guys can see, I didn't really use it as, like, I use it, but it wasn't my favorite. And when you spray it on your face, it leaves it sticky, and I don't like it. So when I go lay down on my pillow, my certain pillowcase attaches to my face, and it feels tad sticky. I don't like it. So no to that toner. Third thing is a soothing eye cream, because I was going to read the whole thing. A soothing eye cream. Now this bad boy is my go-to. In the morning and at night. I like to use it more in the morning because at night I'm just like, I'll just moisturize, tone. But this moisturizing eye cream instantly soothes and depuffs the under eye area with cooling menthol tip applicator. It does smell good. Now I did put it on already. Normally, if you guys notice, I do have more bags than usual. But I like this better in the morning. It does depuff under my eyes in the morning. And in the morning, you know, my eyes get puffy. I look tired. This does help. So I like the cleanser and the under eye cream. Now the under eye cream, I give it a 10 because I had certain experience with other eye creams and I didn't really like them. I did have a Shea Moisture eye cream. I believe it was the Dragon Bloodline, if I'm saying that right. Dragon Blood. It's like it's a red one. Yeah, that one was okay. It wasn't my best under eye cream. But look, girl. But those are the 3 things that I got. Like I said, they're available at Target. Now I'm gonna show you guys 2 things that they gave me. Okay, first thing, I thought this was pretty cool. Let's put that to the side. Was this Supreme Matcha Green Tea. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. Now, I opened it the wrong way. I'm just gonna put that out there. I did open it the wrong way. It comes with tea packets, so I have a lot of them in here. And I was like, yeah, hooked a girl up. They hooked a girl up. All the green tea, matcha green tea. So I thought that was pretty cool with the whole matcha green tea set. And I love this. I love this one. I love this. Okay, are you ready? I think you're ready. I had to keep in the wrapping because I don't want it to break. But it is Love You So Matcha. It's a cute mug that comes with a cute little spoon so you can stir your stuff. So I'm probably gonna use this in my next video and I'm gonna spill some tea. I found this mug to be adorable. I love it. It's going to go with my mug collection. Well, my cup collections, because I have a huge collection of cups. But this one is adorable. Thank you, Shea Moisture, for everything. I cannot wait for my next Sheabassdor box. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now, stay tuned to see the full result on everything and how it looks on my face. Stay tuned. Alright, so my face has nothing on it. I came out the shower. It's wet. It feels dry. It needs to be washed ASAP. So this is what it looked like. I'm going to be using the Transforming Clayted Cream Cleanser. Now, this stuff is super thick. Like, super thick, girl. And look at it. It's super freaking cool. So when you massage it in between your hands, you do see that it does look clay-like. So that's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is... once you massage it into your skin, it turns into liquid. Now, I used this for a few weeks, I believe. Or like 3 weeks. I was using it and I fell in love with it. I fell in love with it. Oh my god. I messed up everything. We're gonna use my Shea Moisture hand to hold my pillow back, you know? My niece. She's so intrigued by my videos. Now what I like is because it says it's a transforming clay to cream cleanser, and that's exactly what it's doing. It smells amazing. So this is what it looks like. It smells awesome. I'm gonna go wash this off my face and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna spray after I just washed my face. Right, I'm gonna spray some of this. It's a toner slash spray mist. So this is pretty cool that it has 2-in-1. And I love me my spray mist because it leaves my face hydrated into a cleanser. So I'm gonna spray some of this, and then I'm gonna use my pamphlet to dry out. To dry, because if not, then we'll be here all day. Now you could just use this. This whole set did not come with a moisturizer, obviously. Sadly, because I love their moisturizers. Now once it's drying into my skin, I'm going to use their under eye cream. Now, these dark circles are hell, like hell. And I'm a person, my sleeping pattern is just, yeah. I do it like this. I know you can like do it like this. So what I do first is that I take it and then I massage it under the eye. This is how I do it. And then I bring it up to the eyelids. What I do now is just pat it into the under eye. And I do use this a lot in the morning when I feel a little tired. You see? I should have did a difference, like a comparison, but whatever. I love this stuff so far. My eyebrows need to be done. Please don't mind that. Now, look. I use the cleanser. I use the under eye cream. And I use the toner slash mist. Now, my skin has been looking flawless. Well, better than what it normally looks like. And this under eye cream helps with my puffiness under or my tiredness looking eyes. I'm feeling myself. Okay, let me stop. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. And just stay tuned for my next Sheabassdor box. Bye.